Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is a sister cousin lifestyle channel. Now today I'm going to be sharing another Prepper Pantry haul, and I've gone shopping and purchased some things that to either put into my Prepper Pantry or to prepare some things to go in my pantry. So the first thing I want to share with you is this new pressure canner that I purchased. And what I'm going to be doing with this is I'm going to be canning some vegetables. Even though I have started to put canned goods in my Prepper Pantry, I don't eat canned goods in my normal day-to-day. I prefer fresh vegetables. So I decided to prepare my fresh vegetables and can them myself. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So I picked this up from Walmart. So today's haul is all from Walmart. And I just picked up a few things, not my normal big haul because I did a big shop last week. So I'll just share the few things that I picked up. And here I did get, I just said I don't really like canned goods, but I did get a few things because they had them for 33 cents. So I did get some some tomato sauce. Always need that. And I got some Lipton soup mix. And what I do with this is, I don't know if you are familiar with White Castle burgers, but I love White Castle. We don't have them in my area, so I found a recipe for some dupes, and it calls for this in it, and they taste this and some peanut butter. And they taste exactly like White Castle. It is the strangest thing, but they're good. I also picked up this Chef Boyardee, these little mini meatballs and things. I picked that up for my grandkids for when they come down for a visit. I don't really want to be giving them this artificial whatever canned goods, but it'll work in a pinch. So I picked up some. I also picked up some whole kernel corn. I think this was 35 cents or something like that. It was really cheap. That's why I did pick up what canned goods I did get. I got 2 of the tomato sauce and 2 of the corn, and one of them had no salt added, so that was appealing because I don't cook with salt. Now I have my stash of toothpaste that I've been stashing away, but every time I finish one, I replenish it. So I already have a stockpile of it, but I'm rotating it out, and I'll pick up one more just to make sure that I stay at a certain level. And I'm really doing that with everything because I'm limited with storage space. So I can't, like, you know, buy up a bunch of stuff. I have to use, like my Prepper Pantry, I use certain items out of it, but I just replace it, and I make sure that I keep an extra stash because I'm trying to have at least 3 months in the house of worth of food and toiletries and things like that. So I picked these up. These are lightly salted Lay's chips. I was just saying I don't really do a lot of salt because of medical issues. It's not healthy for me, so I don't do it. Speaking of not healthy, I picked up some self-rising flour. I talked about, well, actually I did a video a week or so ago about making some homemade biscuits, and this is the flour that we use to make those. So I picked up some more. This stuff is the devil. I learned how to make them because they're so good. But anyway, I've got some of this. I'm going to be putting this in the freezer for 24 to 48 hours, and then I'll go ahead and put it into my pantry, because I want to keep a stash of that on hand. All right, I picked up some of this Easy Mac. Again, this is for my grandchildren when they visit, and I did check the shelf life on these. They do have a long shelf life, but I wanted to have them on hand just in a pinch, but I really plan to prepare them fresh homemade meals when they visit. I got this funnel here. It's a canning funnel, which goes with my canner. And then I just picked up some disposable gloves. I actually use these when I'm doing my painting and things like that. These were like $1.74 for 10 gloves, but they fit nicely. They don't have the powder in them, so I do like those. Then I got some more non-stick Reynolds wrap. I have a stockpile of this now, so I just picked up one more to add to that. All right, I got some apple cider vinegar with the Mother. I love this stuff for so many things. So I keep a stash of this. So this will be going in the pantry. I also got some white vinegar. Now I use white vinegar for cleaning. I also use it in my laundry. So I go through this. So I was just about to finish a jug. So I went and picked up one more because I want to stay at that certain level with my 3-month supply. I picked up more mustard for the same reason. I was running low on it. I picked up some more Thai paste because the one that I had was way beyond expiration date, so I had to toss it. It was actually hard and everything, so I picked up some more of this. I love this when I make my Thai rice dishes, to put a little bit in there. And it has a long shelf life. It's just that I had my other for several years, so. This is some grown folk stuff. I just saw these at Walmart. Never had them before, but I got 2 of these. This is margarita, mini margarita, and this one is also a ruby red margarita. So they were 98 cents each, and I just decided I'll give these a try. I picked up a herb meal and stripper because I have herbs that I need to go ahead and dry them out from my garden outside. So I'm going to be getting to that before I lose my herbs. I've got so many out there. I pinch off of them when I'm cooking, but I've never actually pulled any and dried them so that I have them, and that's what I'm going to do now. I picked up more mouthwash for my pantry. And I picked up 2 things of hand soap, and these are not antibacterial. I got them strictly because they smell so amazing. This is Mrs. Meyer's. This is the, what is this? Snowdrop. It smells so good. And then I picked up one that is Mum. It also smells really, really good. So these are just hand soaps that I'll have. Because I'm washing my hands like constantly now through this whole with the virus and everything. I got some vegetable broth. I cook with vegetable broth, sometimes chicken broth, but I love to keep these on hand, so I do have a supply of these. I put them in everything that I prepare for the most part, you know, chicken dishes or, you know, rice when I'm cooking it. I always cook it in some vegetable broth, things like that. So got that. Got another canister that I'm going to be putting this self-rising flour in. So, you know, I'll end up freezing it and then taking it out, put a bay leaf in it and put it in here so that it can stay fresh. And just 2 more things. I got a ruler because I needed this for a DIY that I'm going to be doing. And this was in the clearance aisle at Walmart. I always go down there just to see what they have. I needed this ruler, so I picked that up. And I also picked up a rolling pin because I didn't have one. And I do need one, especially with the holidays coming up and by me being home more now. I'll probably get more into baking, maybe some cookies and things like that. So I needed a rolling pin. So that is it for my haul today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and comment. And if you're not currently a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you as a part of the Sister Cousin Lifestyle family. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're updated on future videos. And if you're a returning family member, welcome back. I'm so happy you stopped back by today, and I hope that your day is going amazing. And that is really all I have for today. So thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you over here on my next video. Bye-bye.